About to turn the key on this after it's pulled out, been all freshened and cleaned up, and back in. Waiting on the clutch plastic fan, but about to turn the key. Make sure she's running mint, and then look, honestly, they're not fast stock, so this one I'm going to just put away. I'll keep it for a rainy day. So let's hit the key and hope she doesn't spin up one. I've still got to put the front intercooler pipes on as well, so that all primes up good. Be nice to see that oil pressure one go off pretty quick. Okay, that's good. I better put that front pipe on too. Beautiful. Got one oxygen sender to put in. Cool. Whew, okay, that's a relief.